So sa ating pagwawakas, tandaan po natin ito. Integrity is the very protective shield of leadership. Sulat nyo nga po, protective shield of leadership. Yan yung pangsanggalan natin eh. Na kahit batuhin ka ng batuhin, siraan ka ng siraan, taniman ka ng taniman, demanda ka ng demanda, kung ikaw ay totoo, tapat at tunay, you're a man and woman of integrity, walang mangyayari. Tatalbog lahat. Because integrity is the protective shield of our leadership. Without integrity, authority becomes abuse. Without authority, influence becomes manipulation. Without integrity, leadership becomes corruption. Kaya nagkakaroon ng abuse, manipulation, and corruption. Wala kasing integrity. Pag sinabi ng integrity, walang personal integrity, walang practical integrity, walang public integrity. Kaya nagkakaroon ng abuse, nagkakaroon ng manipulation, at nagkakaroon ng corruption. At yan ang nakikita natin sa ngayon. But with integrity, a guardian leader of God becomes credible, trusted, and respected. Kapag nakita naman natin talaga ang lingkod bayan, merong integrity, nagiging katiwa-tiwala, nagiging karespe-respeto, at nagiging trusted ng taong bayan. So integrity is not about perfection, but integrity is about consistency in doing what is right before God and before men. Ulitin natin ha. Integrity is not about perfection. It is all about consistency of doing what is right before God and before men. Ang pagiging tapat, pagiging man and woman of integrity, hindi tayo perfecto. Kundi consistent, tuloy-tuloy ang paggawa natin ng tama. Mahirap man, mabigat man, marami mang kaaway, marami mang kumukontra, marami mang bumabati ko siya, kung alam mong tama yan, ipaglalaban mo yan. Kung alam mong tama, tatayuan mo yan. Kahit kasuhan ka ng kasuhan, sa harap ng Diyos at sa harap ng tao. So sa ating summary, a guardian leader protects integrity through tatlong bagay. Personal integrity, right heart. Practical integrity, right action. And public integrity, right testimony. Ulitin natin para sa lahat ng mga nakikinig at nanonood ngayon para maisulat po ninyo. Personal integrity, right heart. Practical integrity, right action. And public integrity, right testimony. Ito ang tatlong sangkap ng integrity ng isang pamunuan. Because integrity sustains authority. Yan ang nagbibigay sa atin ng tapang para tayo magpatuloy na maglingkod bilang lingkod bayan. So sa ating hamon, tanungin lang natin ang ating mga sarili. At tanungin na rin natin ang ating pamunuan ng ating pamayanan. Who are they? Who am I when no one is watching? Sino ba ako? Sino ba tayo? Sino ba mga namumuno sa atin? Kapag wala nang nakakakita, meron ba tayong practical integrity? Kasi kung wala tayong practical integrity, tamang puso, sigurado, wala na rin tayong practical integrity at public integrity. Yun ay kasinungalingan na lamang.